Imagine this: the man who burned Ace to death standing face to face with the man who carries Ace's will. Yes, I'm talking about the fight fans have been waiting for: Akainu vs Monkey D. Luffy. But will Luffy actually defeat the most ruthless Marine Fleet Admiral in One Piece? Or will Akainu prove he's the ultimate wall standing between Luffy and Pirate King? As we are already seeing, the Marines are already moving and the Yonkos are preparing, and Luffy's final war is almost here. We need to go a little back in time when Oda stated in one of his interviews that the world government and Marines will be Luffy's true final hurdle. And if Luffy has to become Pirate King, he cannot avoid Akainu. So let's understand, if Akainu and Luffy fought today itself, who will win and who will become Donut. So to understand this fight, we need to rewind Marineford, the battlefield where everything changed. Akainu killed Ace right in front of Luffy, and that scar on Luffy's chest, it's Akainu's mark that will forever remain on his body. This is not just another battle, it's personal. Luffy doesn't just want to defeat Akainu, he needs to. But is Luffy even stronger to face the man who embodies absolute justice? Akainu isn't just a magma man, he's the face of marine power. He's relentless, cold, and merciless. Remember how he fought against Whitebeard? Half of his face melted, and he still kept fighting. That's not just strength, that's monster level willpower. Let's not forget he's the only Marine who could take down not just Ace, but also clash equally with Yonko level opponent. So if Akainu is the most powerful, what chances does Luffy really have? But this isn't the same Luffy from Marineford. This is Luffy with Gear 5, the man who defeated Kaido, the so-called strongest creature of the world. With his awakening, Luffy doesn't just fight with brute force, he fights with freedom itself. His powers are unpredictable, cartoonish, and impossible to fully encounter. Remember how Kaido himself laughed in disbelief? If Kaido couldn't fully stop Luffy, could Akainu? Or is it the magma, the one thing even Nika's flame can't overcome? This fight isn't just about fist, it's about ideas. Akainu represents absolute justice, while Luffy represents freedom. One wants to control through fear, while the other wants to liberate the world. Their clash is more than personal, it's philosophical. Whoever wins decide what kind of world One Piece will end with. As Oda has already said in many interviews that his story's narrative demand the clash between Luffy and Akainu, my theory is Luffy won't kill Akainu. That's not his way, but he will defeat him so decisively that the era of absolute justice ends forever. Just like he inspired Dressrosa's people, just like he freed Wano, Luffy's victory over Akainu will symbolize the world's freedom from oppression. Imagine it, final blow, Luffy's fist crashing down. Not just for Ace, but for the entire generation. So tell me, when Akainu and Luffy finally clash, who walks away standing? Let me know in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe because the next video is about another insane battle that will blow your mind.